Pop quiz time. What do mounds of demolition waste, acres of downed full-grown trees, miles of railroad ties, and heaping piles of discarded construction materials all have in common? Easy. For you at least. Because each of these otherwise brutal wood materials all share one very important trait. They're backbreaking work for other chippers and grinders, but just another walk in the woods for the new cat-powered CBI 6400 CT horizontal grinder and chipper. That's because this 2-in-1 grinder and chipper is built to deliver maximum productivity in the face of the harshest conditions and toughest wood materials that cross your path. The latest from CBI Grinder's 30-plus years of industry innovations and on-site expertise, the 6400 CT grinder and chipper boasts a unique cassette-style design that enables you to swap its 4 interchangeable rotors faster than ever. In other words, you can easily switch from chipping to grinding and vice versa in less than a day. But of course, the grind doesn't stop there, and neither does the 6400 CT. In fact, long, grueling days handling massive amounts of material is exactly what this CBI grinder and chipper is built for. Courtesy, in large part, to the Cat C27 or optional C32 engine that powers it. Yep, with the Cat C27 or C32 engine under the hood, the 6400 CT grinder and chipper gives you 1,050 horsepower or 1,200 horsepower of material moving dominance that meets most Tier 4 Final Stage 5 emission standards. Adding to the 6400 CT's powerful combination of performance and durability is the all-hands-on-deck approach to service and support you get from both CBI and the global cat dealer network. So, whatever happens, wherever it happens, you're in good hands. There you have it, the answer to today's quiz and your answer to wood processing challenges. The cat-powered CBI 6400 CT horizontal grinder and chipper.